To make a window, it's pretty much the same process we used to draw on the face here before. We can draw on a face there. So with the pencil, tap somewhere else so nothing is selected. Yep. And then with a finger, double tap. And oh, I see everything like this in front of me. That's not good. Not a big deal. Lower right corner, the icon with the diagonal parallel lines, cut section. Turn it on. Wow, look at that. There is now my cut section view. Very good, easy. So let's quickly take a look at the dimensions for this. There we have it. 55.125 from the right, and then 96. Okay, so this is the right. So this is 96. And connect. There we project this in. 55. What? Yeah, 55. Whoops, 55.125. There. And then this was, I think, 77.5. And draw here a line down. $77.5. Okay. Now, please everything be horizontal, vertical. Very good. Okay. So this has a height. All those be horizontal, vertical. The height is 48. Very good. And then it's 110.4 distance. Okay. Very good. And zoop, zoop, zoop. Zack, zack. Oh, come on. Just select the edge, please, and all be horizontal. Okay. So we have all these lines there right now. I can turn this actually. No, I can turn my wall off so you can see what we are doing. Okay, I want to show you now how cool and effective all this constraint stuff actually is. So I drew these lines here as a visual helper. So I will delete those and simply add the dimension edge to edge. Because by having drawn these lines, I projected some of these wall elements in, kind of like this edge and this edge that was needed. And now I can simply adjust everything. I hope you see also by how crooked everything draw, how easy all this is going to be. So you and you, also 110.4. Very good. And now check this out. So you and you and you be all equal. Same distance. So I made one mistake here. What did I do here? Oh, how did I manage to do that? So go over and go over. You are 110.4, and then here. There. You and you at the same level, please. So tangent. You and you, same level, tangent. And then I could say this line and this line and this line all be the same, equal. Cool, no? Okay, so that means now if I go ahead and say this is 22, you see they all update. And this is kind of like why I say I wish SketchUp would be this way. It's not that SketchUp is bad. It's really good for what it's intended for. I feel it's just stuck in that corner. It could do so much more. They add all these other stuff like heat calculation, etc. to it, but the basic part of easily modeling is still not that good. Okay, so we can call this is actually our north elevation. Show our object. Very good. Then we just select these openings and boop, with the pencil extrude in and push through. To get the cut section view back, just turn it off. Now we select this view, one finger double tap and turn on cut section, and there we are. And then line there, and we do exactly the same one more time. There we are. These lines I don't need anymore because they will only help us to project something in. This object, you see there's a plus icon when you select it. Then we can make a copy. To select everything, double tap with the pencil, turn copy on, there we are. U equal, and then all those please be horizontal. Okay, and then U, and U be equal. So when this one moves up, I mean this one, okay, good. You notice that actually without a dimension, it did not really allow me to drag this point. This is sometimes the downside of these sketch solvers. So the sketch solver tries to solve the relationship how lines are based on the rules I'm establishing. All the constraints on the right side, they're kind of like geometrical rules. Sometimes that makes then moving points a little bit problematic. So here we have 34 and then 96 and 72. So $34, 96. Whoops. These lines. Tangent. So tangent goes only between two lines. And then 72. Very good. Need to figure out now from the right side 118 and 80. See how I can move the whole thing? So this line and this line. Where's the dimension? There, 80. Can bring this under it. And nope, I will call you later. 118. There. I was just thinking about Richard. It's actually the owner of Ghana's furniture design company here in Detroit, former Wayne State industrial design student. And he does really great work. Some of my students actually graduated and are working in his shop now. West elevation. It's also actually, since we are here doing this stuff right now, like in furniture design, I also teach concepts too, because for furniture design, this is a really amazing software. It's because it's like drawing naturally. So advertisement for the course next semester, furniture design, and also a reminder for all the interior design students. You're not limited to put pre-made furniture into your space. We are creative people. We can also design the furniture. Yeah, pretty cool. So there we have now actually the windows added to it. Now, if we want to move a window or adjust the height, I can measure the distance from the top to the bottom. If I select more, then it does not, but I can adjust everything afterwards. I can even select this and then go to move and just move it as much as I want. Now you see, so we're not limited to the sketch. The sketch just helps us. And unlike in SketchUp, the sketch will not be consumed. It stays there, which is why I put them in here and then hide them. So they're not in my way. I rather can pay attention to the model. Another really nice thing about this program is I could go to construction plane, select this plane, make myself a construction, and then check this out. So I select this face and select this construction plane and project myself an elevation view onto it. So in this elevation view now I could add dimensions or export for AutoCAD or something, because we have export sketches as DWG or DXF. So again, this is the reason why for me Shapr is a very valuable tool, because everything I do here I don't have to redo in AutoCAD or SketchUp. I can simply export the stuff and continue working with the information there. But when I'm mobile, or I'm in the train, or in the car, or the couch, the iPad and the pencil and Shapr is a ridiculously amazing and precise and productive architectural modeling tool.